Welcome to my podcast channel Bharat Charcha, where we have global personality Chef Veena. Welcome, Chef Veena, to Bharat Charcha. And we have GM of Botai, Mr. Roshan.
Swadika.
Yeah. You haven't seen Delhi.
No,
A chef has a very glamorous life. Why? Because they're everywhere.
but now only one year winner.
I like that. This is happening for the first time on Bharat Charcha. We want to know that how Chef Veena has been making her name in this male-dominating industry.
I look like a tiger, I can kill them. If they make pad thai for me,
Right.
I don't like, reject. Sometimes 5 times. And every day I teaching, no, go, come back with this. People say, Chef Veena like a tiger.
Oh, so your another name is Tiger.
Yes.
So when you are in the kitchen, if you have to tell somebody that there is no perfection in this, please take it back.
I will look at this eye, make like this. Face to face, then look at inside eye and talk. That's why they scare me.
Are basically how you keep your humility, how you keep yourself after being so extraordinary. I think you were born to be this because just as you said that you sit with a guest and you know next day what she has to eat and what I should give her. You already know that.
I start from 7 years old.
You were 7 years old
Yes.
when you started your cooking. Are you serious? I mean, I was looking at my phone and I looked back. I was like, what, 7 years?
Yes.
That is amazing.
5 years, 7 years, I together with family cooking. 13 years, I know water food. I make my sauce, my own sauce. 13 years. Very difficult. But I show them. I work hard than you. You stay 7 hours, I stay 9 hours. Are you shopping, you cutting, I do the same thing. And I show them my calm down, no attitude, no think I am number one. I think all the time I'm a normal chef, I'm a cooking lady. And I never have it's like acting, oh, I'm a queen. No, I have put a week.
And is it also, this is also true that whenever she's sitting and wherever she is, वहाँ पर अपने आप भीड़ आ जाती है. Really? तो इनको हम अपने साथ हैं. So if there is a soft motherly side, a teacher side, then Chef Veena also has a tiger side. Which is your favorite country?
India.
India. Lovely. When in Rome, do as Romans do. So you're in India. So that's why you want to say India. If you need a travel partner, you should call me up. I love to travel. I can be your team.
You will get bored.
No, I'll not get bored.
सबकी दिलों में एक जगह बना रखी है शेफ ने ये तो
You are quite popular amongst your staff, I see. Everybody has good things to share about you. Amazing. You need an applause, honestly. I have done so many podcasts and I've met so many chefs, but you're charismatic, I'll say, in your work. And probably that's the reason that you are going around so many countries and places. And just go around the way others love her. We love her food too. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. Welcome to my podcast channel, Bharat Charcha. This podcast channel is a premium platform where we give opportunity to our guests to amplify and elevate their voice. It is all about bringing in social, political, and cultural narratives to this platform. Today, again, we have two special guests. In fact, this is happening for the first time on Bharat Charcha, where we have global personality Chef Veena. Welcome, Chef Veena, to Bharat Charcha. And we have also GM of Botai, Mr. Roshan. Welcome to Bharat Charcha. So Botai definitely is one of my favorite places to be at. I have been here many times, but this time we are here for Chef Veena. Today we are going to tell you that how Chef Veena is different from all other people that we know in this culinary industry. What is the most favorite part? That, of course, that she's a woman. This is what I love about her. The energy is altogether very feminine in this podcast. And above that, we want to know that how Chef Veena has been making her name in this male-dominating industry. So let's ask her, when she has been surrounded by so many, presidential banquets that she has worked with. She's worked with ambassadors, she's worked with expats, and many more grand hospitality names that we will eventually talk in this podcast. Let's know Chef Veena's story. how she traveled to India and she's made her name. She's taken Thai cuisine to another global experience, to another level. Thank you, Shafina, for being here on the podcast. And I'm elated to have you as my guest. I would certainly want you to tell our guests your story, that what is the connection between Thailand and India, and who got you here? How did you have this idea of bringing your Thai culinary cuisine to India?
First, I have to say Sawadika and Namaste everybody in India.
Yes.
I'm Mata Vina from Thailand.
Lovely.
And I have to say first, my English maybe 60%. But I hope I try to speak good English for make everybody understand.
Right.
The first moment how I can come to India is my friends. He bring me to come India because they follow me on my Facebook.
Okay.
And they say, Chef, you would like to come to do food festival in the hotel.
Okay.
The first hotel I do in Kerala.
Right.
Kerala with Obai Tamala Hotel first.
Right.
And after that, my consulate and Thai trades.
Right.
They meet me and they say, they taste food first, and India people like in the first time moment, they really love my taste. And after that, they tell me, Chef, please do another Thai food festival. And we cooperate together with the Thai government.
Lovely.
And second, I do in the Chennai
Okay.
and become very viral. That's why.
Right.
Until I come, why I can come to Botai, my boss miss me on the Instagram,
Okay.
and she contact me, and maybe she see something special from my side, and maybe she believe my food is good taste. Ever she never taste my food or miss me before, but she gave me opportunity to come in a Botai.
Right. No, I have heard this from a lot of people, that people, they really like your cuisine. They really like your style of cooking. In fact, Mr. Roshan was also praising about the way you take your team along and how you prepare the entire cuisine is commendable. So, आप थोड़ा सा बताएंगे कि आपका इंटरेक्शन इनके साथ कैसा है और कैसे सोचा कि बोटाए एक थाईलैंड से एग्जीक्यूटिव शेफ को इंडिया लेकर आए?
I would like to say that my career didn't start from the Thai food only.
Okay.
Like whenever I joined the Thai Walk in the Ambawata Complex rooftop, so I worked with the 3 Thai chefs, Chef Rathon, Chef Tony, Chef Thomas.
Right.
They are all specialists in this, specialist in his area, like wok, soup, and pet. So that's why I love the Thai food. So I come in this industry at that time. And I find out with my boss, she's on Instagram. Her specialty is like marvelous in Thai like Thai specialist, Pad Thai or curry. So we can just 15 days we get on a trial like a Thai food festival. Then we can call again to join us
Okay.
to take the Botai to another level for the food in this industry.
Right. I know, because Thai is that kind of cuisine that is loved globally. And who doesn't like food? There is nothing like food that brings people together.
Yes.
And especially, I know a lot of people from India, they especially go to Bangkok, Thailand, to other places to try only food. So now when you're bringing Thailand here to India, so I'm sure that people in Delhi would appreciate that there is a place called Botai and that serves really good Thai food, especially by Chef Veena.
Chef Veena, because the people just wrote it around again and again, because the taste they're attracting to them.
Right.
And the one guest is ordering a lot when she's going on the table.
So that's
That
your
is it.
fame,
This
right?
is yes. She is now the fame of the boat.
Oh, that's amazing. So, Chef Veena, I want to know that off the camera, I'm sure you're a different person. And on the camera, when you're handling things globally, not only at one place, there are so many different restaurants, so many hotels that you have worked with, right?
Yes.
How are you keeping that balance of your life? How are you managing everything everywhere? Last time I came to Botai, I got to know that, okay, Chef Veena is not here. She's gone to another state for a festival. And I think it was some New Year that was happening.
Yes.
I remember we had a conversation and I said, so where is the chef? And you said that she's not here traveling. How often do you travel, and How do you maintain that balance?
Oh my God. I don't know what to say. Very,
We will hear candid things from you.
yes.
It's very difficult to take the time from her because she's going after 2 days to Hyderabad.
Right.
Now, yeah.
Right. She was
And then she's going to set the papayas maybe there. Then she's come back again. Now she's working with all our brand, which is we have, like papaya, botai, incoa. She's going to set all the.
okay.
So it's very difficult to take the time, but she's going to set the menu over here also
Right.
in both that.
So still we want to hear from you that how do you manage? What is the balance? I'm sure there are so many aspiring chefs who that maybe in a small town or at a big place, there is a woman or a girl watching or looking at you. They want to be chefs. They want to learn. And you're not only a chef, you also teach.
Yes.
That's also part of you, right? So there are so many people who are getting trained through you. How are you managing all this?
For me, first, I should be happy first.
Yes.
And in the morning, I talk to myself. I am a teacher. It's not only chef. What I can give the people, what I should do with the people.
Yeah.
I have managed this. There are feeling first. I very caring feeling who work with me. And after that, I become myself.
Oh, lovely.
That's what I'm doing.
So this is more like a meditation that first you're talking to yourself, you're
Yes.
preparing yourself for the entire day, and then you begin.
Yes.
I think all people who are successful, most of them, they practice this ritual, right? They want that me time first in the morning, first thing in the morning, and then they begin with their work.
Yes.
So that's your mantra for
Yes.
success.
Yes, was as because of in the morning I should have a good mood every day. We have to working hard, and my team is working together with me.
Right.
It's not I can't work alone. Everything with the teamwork. Except it's like him also important for me because he take care outside. Without him, we cannot serve with person, bartender, or ever my chef team, or cleaning person or watching person.
Right.
Security, everybody is the teamwork for me.
Right.
In formal Thai, I have to say first thank you for my boss and him and everybody to support.
Right. That is lovely. I think it's a great message that you have sent across through an industry which is like super busy.
Yes.
And people rarely have time for each other. So I'm sure when you already have a prepared team and you know that you both are working together in a manner that keeps the staff happy, that keeps your guests around happy, what could be better? I think it's like an opportunity in itself. So first thing to learn from you is that please keep your people happy.
Yes.
And you yourself have to be in a good mood when you're going out for work,
Yes.
right? Excellent. And tell me, what are the struggles that you face in your everyday life? I'm sure there are struggles as well.
Every day, I never have my time for myself.
Oh, you're that busy?
Every day I'm busy. Okay, example, I stay in Delhi, but I never stay outside Delhi. I already stay hotel and Botai.
Okay.
Botai and hotel like this.
So you haven't, after being here in Delhi, you haven't seen Delhi.
No.
That's amazing. And you have been here for how long? So amazing part is that that's why you are successful because you don't have time also. Yeah? That you, आप बताइए कैसा, मतलब how are you managing without
don't
having
know, you know, in this industry, you don't know when the guest is arriving in your restaurant. So basically, mostly the crowd is less on Tuesday.
Right.
But Friday, Wednesday, Thursday is totally jam-packed.
So ये दिल्ली के सारे ही restaurants का scenario है कि Tuesday को
Mostly restaurant who is build up his food quality in a next level, they definitely busy. Whoever is not build his food quality
is not busy.
is not.
Okay.
And we are every day to see.
That is the boiled theme of the restaurant. If your food is next level,
Right.
the guest is or customer is coming repeat again and again.
Yeah.
The bar is everywhere same. Cocktail is everywhere same. But if you are maintaining your food quality, definitely the people is come again and again to your outlet.
Right. But you know, just as you've said that you don't even get a day for yourself.
Yeah.
So when people look at Instagram, they look at Facebook, they look at other social media platforms, they feel that a chef has a very glamorous life. Why? Because they're everywhere. They're going around the world. They're staying in best of the hotels. They're working with the best of the names in any state that they go. Is that a fact?
Yes, it is. No, I think most of people never see I have is like a private life. Everybody see me all the time working, and some person will say, "Chef, where are you? Which city? Where are you now?"
How lovely. So you get a call from your friend.
Yes, some person.
And they're asking that very exactly.
Yes, yes. They are also, "Where are you now?"
Right.
And what I'm doing, but nobody, the people know I'm only working. Same you message me, right?
Right.
Chef, where are you?
Yeah, exactly. I asked you too that where are you? So, now that you've told about yourself that people call up and globally, like, you're busy, you don't know where Chef Lina is next day when she wakes up in the morning. I want to know that people are comfortable working with you. How comfortable are you working with men in the industry? And you have to be very candid about that.
I have to say first, very difficult to work with all of guy. Because I only one lady and outside from India. How to make people work for me, and sometimes language problem also, because sometimes they cannot speak English,
Right.
and my English sometimes they don't understand. Sally teach me to speak. Sally, I cannot speak.
Right.
How to make famous. I active. And I show them I hard work that you. I show my
Amazing that, there is a language barrier also.
yes.
But people still, they love to work with you. Your team, I can see in everybody's eyes that they sort of find you a favorite.
Yeah.
I'm sure that आप भी Mr. Roshan कुछ ऐसा ही अच्छा करते होंगे कि इनको आप appreciate करो तो ये भी आपको appreciate कर रहे हैं.
अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाती है अगर इफ शी से समथिंग मैं समझ तो जाता हूँ फिर मैं इनको बताता हूँ speak 5 times what you are saying
Yeah.
not Sally it's Sally
Right. Yeah.
then she understand okay now this is the word or वैसे भी she is very good I'm telling you one thing about her
Right.
I love the food the way she's making with the love and the secret ingredient she never told.
So there are many chefs, but I think her secret is that all her food is made out of love.
Yes.
There's so much of warmth in her that comes in her food.
Yes.
Wow, amazing. I think it's just not only about you being a chef or a teacher or going around the globe working with different big names. I think what is big is it's you first. That you are making things big around here. Right? And that's why people love you.
That's
amazing.
And I caring about my customer. If they eat some food, I check on the time. They eat finish or not. What happens? If they don't like the taste, I send new one for them.
So when customer is there, if they don't like the food, then she sends the new one.
Yes.
But I'm sure that has rarely happened.
It's not happen but sometime if you are not hungry if you leave little bit also why she is not eating the food please speak with him. That's what I love it.
Okay. So basically, there is worry also in you that why the person left even the tiniest of the part in the food. Amazing.
And ever is my food not beautiful? I'm sit here, but I can see people walk. I stay, come see first, reject, go back, make new again. My food should become tasty and beautiful. Important. Sorry.
Beautiful like you, right?
Yes. Every day.
Lovely. Every day it should be. Amazing. That's I think another secret of life that works for you secretly, that your eyes are everywhere. They are looking for each table, that who is eating what are they liking about your food and what they have left. And if they have done so, then Chef Lina is going to make sure what is that part which is missing. So please bring them back again.
Definitely.
Right? The food and the person both have to come back to the table.
Yes.
Amazing. You need an applause, honestly. I have done so many podcasts and I've met so many chefs, but you're charismatic, I'll say, in your work. And probably that's the reason that you are going around so many countries and places. So let's talk about certain festivals that you held here in India in different states. So again, language must have been a problem, yes, right? But how do you bring this concept that today I want to do this over there and this is how I should prepare and this is my team? How do you manage all this with them?
Really, I don't know how I can.
Okay.
But maybe myself is like for everyone is like a mother. I treat people like I am. I'm your mom. I'm your teacher.
Okay.
Just follow me. And I make everybody to learning. And I keep them like this every day. Learn with me, take with me what I have in my wallet or what I have in my pocket. Take it, do it, using me, learn with me, and become a master chef like me, and make a money for your family and be success in your lives. I'm your teacher and I be here for you. And I show them my calm down, no attitude, no think I am number one. I think all the time I'm a normal chef, I'm a cooking lady. And I never have it's like acting or I'm a queen, no. I'm ready to learn every day new thing from that. Sometimes I do mistake also, I say sorry to my chef. And sometimes I shouting them, but I explain why I shouting on you. What you do like this, if you change, you become a better. And I keep all my secret recipe with everybody because I don't know tomorrow I wake up or not. But as my name is become still forever.
Beautiful.
Yes.
I think I've literally got goose, because you barely get to hear such things from people these days. Yeah, that there is so much of innocence also in her that she's saying that even if you want to take my pocket, take my pocket. Whatever I have, take everything from me, but learn, become a master chef.
Yes.
That's quite a message in itself. I'm sure your team is like really happy to be around you, and it is so important to create that cordial atmosphere when you're working as a big team, because people they say that okay, there's a lot of we go there, we feel stressed, we are unable to work, our work culture is not very friendly, we are not able to manage other staff with us. But here I see a very different scenario, and that's why I think we're having this podcast also, because I really want people to know that when you're working in a kitchen, and you worked in one of the best luxurious kitchens also,
Yes.
and how importantly you have made an ambience for people that they learning from you, they consider you teacher, they consider you mother, they take all your secret recipes and you lovingly give everything to them. Amazing.
First is moment very difficult to make the guy believe in me because I am a lady, and most of no have lady chef, too many,
Right.
and how to give all the guy respect you. It's very difficult, but I show them I work hard than you. You stay 7 hours, I stay 9 hours. Are you chopping, you cutting, I do the same thing. Everything, I never sit down and tell my chef to do this, do that. I'm together with the team works. I cutting, chopping, cooking, everything, make with them. Eating together with them. I never have, it's like go to sit in the table and eat alone, like I'm a big chef. No. I eat together with them. It's like all the team. It's my life, I mean.
That's your life. This is what you love.
Yes.
So there is no ego, and आप भी agree करेंगे इनसे?
मैं बिल्कुल एग्री करूंगा. यू नो वी आर इंडियन पीपल. ये एक ना एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग है थाईलैंड और इंडियन पीपल के बीच में कि अगर वो इंग्लिश में भी बोले, अगर उसको नहीं भी आती सामने वाले को, तो वो समझ जाता है कि ये क्या बोल रही है. दैट्स व्हाट अमेजिंग इन द किचन आल्सो. Whenever she is getting a command, they understand कि what should we do that next bit.
Right.
So that's what the combination she is making in the kitchen with his team, and about with me also in the front of the house.
Right.
He's making with me also the good combination to suggest the people how to making the guest happy. That's the what we are regular doing that.
Right.
But whenever she is come, we allow front of the guest lot with that.
So you're very friendly also.
Yes, very.
I
friendly with
remember
the
I
all
know
the-
for that matter when I was here, तो मैंने स्पेशली आपको भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दिए थे कि अगर हम इस जगह पे आ रहे हैं और नेक्स्ट टाइम आएंगे तो वो आपकी वजह से
Thank
आएंगे.
you so much. Thank
मुझे
you
लगता है
so much.
दिल्ली में एक ये प्लेस है जो अभी भी लगती है कि ओके यू कंफर्टेबली कैन वॉक इन
Yes.
and just mingle around with the staff, with the GM, with the chef, and you can have a fabulous time. This is one of those places.
Yes.
Amazing. So I want to know that after cooking so much in the kitchen, do you still feel that I want to have that simple food, home cooked food? Now I'm tired. Does it feel like that?
No,
No? Okay.
I'm not feeling hungry,
Oh, okay.
That is
That's how
my
you maintained also?
Yes. I'm not feeling hungry,
Okay.
Don't know why I try to eat and sometimes I ask myself, what food I should eat. For myself, I don't know what food I should eat.
Imagine a woman who has the potential to capture the global market, the global hospitality industry, is asking herself that what should I eat?
Yes.
Wonderful. So, is it like because you get so much of flavors in your
Yeah.
mouth because of the fragrance of the food, and that makes you full?
But I can, like, when I look at you, I know what food I give you,
Right.
and I can think about tomorrow, a plan. But for myself, sometimes I ask my chef, give me one menu what I should eat,
Right.
like this every day proper. You see the food all the time that I can't eat. But if I want to eat, normally I like to eat like a chili and garlic and make like a India calling chutney, right?
Right.
And eat with boiled vegetable or fish in it,
Right.
or one egg boiled.
Boiled egg. I know there's a lot of similarity between Thailand and Indian culture.
Yeah.
बहुत क्रॉस कल्चर प्रोग्राम्स भी होते हैं और अब हम खाने की भी बात कर रहे हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट वी शेयर इन कॉमन.
Yeah.
आप बताएं कि हैविंग अ फीमेल शेफ इन द किचन, हेड शेफ इन द किचन, how do other chefs around her are, how comfortable they are, or how much do they listen to her, what is their chemistry, and
I appreciate that you are asking this question. I'm coming on that. When you are working with the female chef, whoever the man is like naughty or something or abusing everywhere.
Right.
He is also now working straight. He's not using any abusing language, in the kitchen or whatever he want. He know that कि मेरे को ये काम करना, मैं यही काम कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि शेफ ने मेरे को बोल दिया है. और फिर एटमोस्फेयर वहाँ पे अपने आप ही काम हो जाता है. और जहाँ मैन हो ना, वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा होता है कि वो क्लैश हो जाता है. लेकिन हाँ, अगर वुमेन शेफ है तो वहाँ ये सब चीजें नहीं होती. वहाँ ये सारी चीजें.
so women are better for one.
Yes.
You have to bring them everywhere.
Yes,
Right?
yes, yes.
That's amazing that when women and men are working in the kitchen, there is more discipline.
Yes.
But you rarely find women in the kitchen in hospitality.
No, I work in 2-3 kitchens with women. Like first, I already told you my career is start with Thomas Chef Weiss. He is a specialist in curry, green curry or red curry. Or one more dessert chefs. Basically, we are key fourth lady in Garden of Five Sense Fio के अंदर.
Right.
मैंने शेफों के साथ, लेडी शेफ के साथ काम किया. They are very comfortable with us, and we are very comfortable.
Working. Wonderful. So coming back to you, Shaplina, I think that these are all the reasons that you've given are basically how you keep your humility.
Yes.
How you keep yourself after being so extraordinary. I think you were born to be this. Because just as you said that you sit with a guest and you know next day what she has to eat and what I should give her. You already know that.
Yes.
How? How do you know that?
She got a passion about the food.
You're very passionate.
Yeah,
think
very passionate about it.
Want to be there. My
You want to be
family-
more?
my family say, my friend also say, I want to be a camera chef. I start from 7-year-old cooking.
You were 7 years old
Yes.
when you started your cooking. Are you serious? I mean, I was looking at my phone and I looked back. I was like, what, 7 years?
Yes.
That is amazing.
5 years, 7 years together with family cooking. 13 years, I know what the food. I make my sauce, my own sauce. 13 years.
13 years,
Yes.
she was already a culinary master
Yes.
who knew how to cook her own
Yes.
food, who knew how to cook her own sauces also.
12 years.
Just reveal this secret right now.
Oh, you didn't know about
I
it.
did not know about that.
Wow.
I don't know. I can just watch and I can copy your taste. If you cook something for me now, I eat and I know what you add inside and I can copy your taste.
So I think you have a God's gift. I mean, I'm really surprised that somebody at the age of 7 started her own cooking session, and by the age of 13 knew what the person wants, and she can cook exactly the same taste that you love. So you are a God's gift, truly. I mean, what should I ask you? You've already given the answer that why you're so extraordinary and globally so popular for your festivals.
My friends say my hand have unami.
Okay, what is that a Thai word?
Unami.
Unvikya
Barkat.
Yes.
Acha. Of course she has that.
I have Punami.
And is it also, this is also true that whenever she's sitting and wherever she is, वहाँ पर अपने आप भीड़ आ जाती है. Really? तो इनको हम अपने साथ हैं. अब हमें एक business शुरू करना चाहिए and we should take you along. Right? Because wherever you sit, I've heard that guests, they start
Yes.
pouring in on their own.
Yes, and everywhere I go, it's quiet, right? If I come, people come so much. Everywhere I go to do my Thai food festival, they say, not too much people coming. After I come, full people come every day.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
amazing.
also-
I'm really smitten.
Full people come every day. Cannot imagine.
Whenever she joined from us, no weekday, no weekday for us. All the days, she will
All the days
for
are
us.
full.
Yes.
Even the Tuesdays.
Yes.
I think I came on a Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Oh my god, yes.
And
And
you
it
know
was
that
full.
how much crowd is over here
Yeah.
on that day.
So we'll also say that you also took really good care of us, and I cannot forget how you told us what's good to eat here and what should we order next. So I think it's when you're working as a team, you're always taking the best parts of each other
Yes.
in this hospitality.
Whenever I wake up in the morning,
Yeah.
I think to first talk to the chef Veena, what should I sell today on the table? What is the specialty of the dish you are going to give me today?
Right.
And she's told me, Roshan, we can do that. This like a special type prawns we can get on the table.
Okay.
And I do that. If you are talking about one dish front of the all guests,
Right.
the full table already automatically, if we are recommending, they take it. What you are recommending there, just get it on my table also. That's where she's going. And
I think Goda is really happy to have you on.
yeah, prepare front of the guest also. She's putting the sauce on the top. Then everybody is appreciate and making a video. They're sharing on the social media portals. That's what I like from her. She is always support us. Yes, I'm coming on a table. I can do that whatever you want. Every day we are talking about one special dish we can get on the table.
How interesting. I think I should also join your team. Because you rarely get people, who understand your language only with gestures and who are ready to understand their guests above all. And now with the new times coming in, there are some restaurants or hotels who sometimes turn out very disappointing as well. Why? Because we'll talk about it in another episode.
Yes.
But yes, we do find them disappointing at times.
That is all called Avantika from our side, the teamwork. Teamwork is most important thing is this. If your team is not good, you're not going to grow. That's my guarantee on it.
In restaurant industry for sure, in hospitality world. Amazing. If you have to give a message through your food, a peace message to the world, what dish you would want to serve?
I think tom yum soup,
Okay. And why?
because in tom yum we have a lot of herbs,
Right.
and I try to remember English to speak.
That's okay. Maybe
So,
restaurant can help you.
I'm telling you, the tom yum first we are serving it little spicy.
Yes.
Whenever she's cooked, the kids also like the tom yum soup.
Yeah, that was usually
That's surprising because she's using a little bit touch of cream in it. And it is, if you are tasting, you feel amazing to taste about the tom yum soup.
Wow.
Whenever I taste, I said, wow, yeah, it's next level.
So this is your creation entirely to add little cream in tom yum.
Yes, great.
So that it's not as spicy as it is
The
usually.
kids also like it. Basically, kids can't have the
They can't. Even I can't have sometimes because I find it really spicy.
because this mostly all the 5 herbs is there, like kalangal, lemongrass, everything. But when you add the cream, the kids also like it. I need one more soup, this one. There's a 12 people kids table. They are repeating the tom yum soup. I am surprising Melissa, how can they? Then she said, I use the cream in it.
And you don't really get to know when you're taking that tom yum.
Yes.
One doesn't get to know. So, I want to know one more question for you.
Yeah.
When you were entering this global industry, it's a very big service industry. And just as we said that there is nothing like food that brings everyone together. Who was that first person to trust you that, okay, let me introduce Chef Veena to this platform? She is the right person. Was there anybody else, or you yourself, or your destiny's child that you yourself?
I think myself.
Yourself?
Myself made.
Amazing. That here, bring that again. You decided yourself. Wow, and there was nobody.
I made myself to come here. I made myself to make people love my authentic Thai food. It's myself,
Amazing.
not anyone.
So I think you were a one-man army who's doing everything by herself. Wherever she goes to different countries, she pulls people together in the kitchen. After the language barrier, still she manages to interact with her guests, brings the best on the table for people, and people appreciate. And if there is something which is left, then there is a matter of concern also for her that why that little particle of the food was also left on the plate. Please get a fresh one for them.
It is crazy about if it's leave in the
What if somebody is taking advantage that they know, okay, chef, we leave this, not Chef Veena is going to send another one.
Yes, the guest is saying we are full chef.
We cannot have it.
anymore. Yeah, two people order a lot, then definitely they get. Then we can
Right.
pack the food for them.
Yeah.
You can take it away. Otherwise, she's outing on us. Why they leave the food? In
Yeah, I want. You have to check the feeling.
But looking at you, okay, this is going to be a little personal, could be personal for the camera also, but since it is a question that will attach to the sentiment of people, I want an answer from you. Is there secretly any kind of little bit pain in you that has given you this strength to be who you are today? Do you think that there is the pain factor has worked with you, or you are like?
I think I am like this. I have a natural.
You have it's naturally in
Yes.
you.
I have natural and I have
There is no pain to this strength. No, it's only strength.
English called negative, right?
Negative.
Yes. I have negative.
No, you have positive. You are positive.
Positive. Yeah. Yes.
You are positive. Who cuts the negative?
Yeah. I have positive, right?
Okay.
Then I have some power.
Okay.
I have powerful. Go is allow me. There we get powerful. There we get happiness.
Right.
There we get like that talk to me. That think about the future. When they work with
So you can tell the future also.
no, they say when they work with me, they think about the future next.
Oh, okay. She means that whenever people are working with her, they think too much about the future, but she lives in the present. And she likes to work in a positive aura. And that's the reason it has brought her everything.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
I try to speak English. So
I think if this was done in your language, sadly, I don't know your language, but I think if it was done in your language, there would have been more things to share
Lot
and
of-
tell
lot-
people.
I'm telling you a lot of things. I convert his language, then I send it to the okay message, how to write in Thai. Then I send it, this is okay, chef, this is okay, chef.
Okay, so that's how you message it.
and for me,
So how are you teaching people in the kitchen? I wonder, it's culinary, it's cuisine, and there are
It's
so many things.
Like to co-chef also. Yes,
Of course, yeah.
I can make them understand whatever they're not understand. They can make them understand to what she's going to tell.
Yeah, but here I see that anybody that she has spoken to directly, they all have understood her.
Yes.
So far, the minute I entered, there was coffee for me and a nice platter of sweet dish, which was again created by Chef Veena. And I honestly, I really love what you had, sir.
you have to ask my chef
Yeah,
how I teach them.
I should ask that.
Yeah.
So in the end, we would love to have, just as you said, that you have a
Yes,
team
I want to show people my team.
where you are. So you take your team along everywhere, wherever
Yes.
you go.
And I look like a tiger, I can kill them. If they make hard time for me,
Right.
I don't like.
Reject.
Sometimes 5 times.
Okay. So
And
you are
I
hard
say
also.
yes.
Oh.
And every day I teaching. No. Go, come back like this.
Right.
Everybody scaring me also my team.
Right.
That but when we together we laugh. I cooking some time for them also. When they have it's like some bad feeling, we talk
Right.
what happened like this.
Right.
People say Chef Veena like a tiger.
Oh, so your another name is Tiger.
Yes.
So when you are in the kitchen, if you have to tell somebody that there is no perfection in this, please take it back.
I will look at deep eye. Mean like this. Face to face, then look at inside eye and talk. That's why they scare me.
That's amazing. I'm
Check him also. I make like this. Look.
that please listen to me. This is what I want. So if there is a soft motherly side, a teacher side, then Chef Veena also has a tiger side. Like here, talk to me that way.
She stopped only after the operation. In the operation,
She's aggressive.
Yeah.
Very strict.
So that is the reason that she's been able to succeed in all the places that she's touched. I mean, going globally in a manner where she's been repeatedly called to a place and she's doing festivals one after the other is quite a challenge.
Yes, very challenging.
And then staying so humble is again something beautiful about her.
If you are successful in life, you have to do little bit of stuff about the cream also. But you have, after operation, you have to do that some, the love also to them after the operation. Whatever she do that every day.
So does it every day. That's your mantra.
You have to get a new team. Like I do Thai food festival, 15 days.
Right.
And then, I do so many.
The festival goes for 15 days.
15 days. Then you have to go a new team again. Another hotel. It's very difficult. What do you think?
It is.
You have to make a new team understanding you. And the zero of the food, of the my side. How to make people work for you.
Right. And especially in a male dominating industry where there are less women and more men. I think not only us, not only your team, my team has also understood that how
We have power, right?
Yeah. You have power.
Woman power.
Yeah.
Women can do.
That's
I can do. You can do.
true. And this is the message that you want to send across to people who are watching you today,
Yes.
and especially aspiring chefs who look at you today and they want to be like Chef Veena. What is your message? What do you want to tell them?
Believe in yourself first and talk to you. I can do. And I can do. I winner. I am a woman.
Wow, that's amazing. It's such a beautiful message. Amazing. And you talk to yourself in the morning first
Yes.
thing. This is the most amazing part. I've never heard this from anyone.
I
You know?
learned this lesson from her.
You look at yourself in the mirror and then you talk to yourself that you are a woman, you are a winner, you are going for work, and you are building every day.
Yes. And when I start open the door from my room, I think about I am not for myself. I'm for everybody. That's why I never angry. I only 5 minutes in works. But then I talk. People come to see me. People happy to work with me. I should be happy with them. That's why I never angry. When I say angry, people scared. Because always smiling, happy.
And that's why your food also tastes so
Yes.
well.
You happy for them.
Your energy is going in your food.
Yes.
And this is what you're serving, and that's why people love coming back to you.
Yes.
That is the main important thing.
Ever customer complain,
Right.
keep smiling. I say thank you to complain
Right.
because I may make better and better in my food. The first moment when I come to India, I don't understand the India culture, what the people like, what the people don't like. And after I traveling and I'm not close, I open my ear and eye to see what people like, what people don't like, and then I change my food to become success in India. That's why I become Princess Chef Veena now.
Princess Chef Veena, I love that. People, actually, I should have addressed you as Princess Chef Veena instead of only Chef Executive Veena. Yeah, that's amazing.
Like a princess of the cooking.
Yeah, you're a tigress. We must say that. So, I mean, last question, sadly. I mean, I want this conversation to go on with you, but since we have to wrap it up also, so tell me, if ever you have to, I'm sure there are people who remember you for your good work,
Yeah.
right? And if you have to be remembered, how do you want people to remember you? Like a teacher or like a great chef? How? What do you want? Or everything together?
If I want the people remember, I want to remember I am your teacher
Okay,
and I am a cooking lady.
lovely. So it's just as you said that I want my entire chef everywhere I go. They should take my secret recipes.
Yes.
They should take everything from me.
Yes.
And whether I'm left with anything or no, but they should learn.
Yeah.
I think that it's admirable that, I really admire that thought that not only she is a chef, but as a teacher who's taught so many other chefs under her, And she's taught people from like different parts.
Yes.
वो भी कैसे सिखाया होगा मैं सोचती हूँ एक लैंग्वेज के
I agree with you, whatever you said, but I said she's a teacher in secondary. First, she's a great chef for me.
right. And but she wants to be remembered as a teacher.
Yes.
Why? Because she wants that people should know I've given you something valuable that you can keep with yourself. Right? If I'm not wrong, this is what you feel. Amazing. I wish everybody could be like you. This world would have been a better place to live. There would have been no wars and no chaos and no competition and no cutthroat and things like that. What do you say? There should be more people like you?
Yes, of course would be.
Yeah?
But now only one chef winner.
I like that. Beautiful. Thank you so much for gracing our podcast today. We really enjoyed both of you, Mr. Roshan. It was great accompanying her today. And just as we can clearly see that even if the language is a barrier, so she will make her way and find somebody with her cordial who can explain that what should happen in the kitchen, the right kind of menu that should be served on the table, how people are impressed with you and they want to come back to you again and again, and not only in Delhi or India, but globally.
Yes.
I'm sure there are people who are missing you at more places and they're just waiting that when Chef Veena is coming here, right? That happens, you get messages.
Yes.
We are missing you, when are you coming here?
Yes. Ever I go another city already, they want I to come back.
And then you go there after how long?
After maybe 1 year or 4 months, 6 months like this.
And how many countries you've been to?
If another country, around 10 countries.
Okay.
But if India, I think more than 30 cities.
State.
The States, you say. Yeah.
My schedule,
Which is your favorite country?
India.
India. Lovely. When in Rome, do as Romans do. So you're in India. So that's why you want to say India.
Yes.
Okay, but you really like India.
Yes, I like India.
She's all around in India, all the states, like today, gets you already.
Yeah, everywhere. Her presence is everywhere.
Sometimes
Amazing.
Mumbai, sometimes.
If you need a travel partner, you should call me. I love to travel. I can be your team.
You will get bored.
No, I'll not get bored.
She's coming back from the travels, she's tired. Oh, yeah.
I know she's telling that, she has been to Delhi, but not in Delhi.
Not in that.
Not traveling. I think I should take you out someday. With
You know how you work 1 year without second day off.
Oh my God.
I know
That's amazing. Hats off to you, Shakti. That's amazing. Now we know what is the secret of her power, what is the secret of her being such a global face, because she's actually a tiger. That's what she said. A tigress who never takes a leap, but a tigress who also appreciates her team. So we'll wait next for her to come back to India and just go around the way others love her. We love her food too. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's very sweet of you. So, Chef Veena, since you have your entire staff here now, तो मुझे आप सबसे सिर्फ एक ही सवाल है और मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि जब आप शेफ वीना के साथ वर्क करते हो तो एक लेडी का किचन में होना और जहाँ पर इतने सिर्फ मैंने तो कैसा लगता है आपको, मतलब ये कैसे आपको हैंडल करती हैं और वो लैंग्वेज कैसे समझ पाते हो आप उनकी?
Because every person know कि how to work with the lady chef and he know कि हमें कितना अपने आप को डिस्टेंस करना है, मतलब जो शेफ टीचिंग दे रही है हमारे को तो उसको हम 100% उस पर वो करते हैं फोकस, because is giving a lots of teaching.
So you feel that she's a very good teacher for you. She's teaching you her secret recipes
Yes,
also,
secret recipe.
but she's also giving you the secrets of life, that how you should work together. Amazing.
उनके साथ काम करना बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, हमें कुछ नया और चीज़ सीखने को मिल रही है और हम बहुत ही इनके साथ मतलब कंफर्टेबल है काम करने में और गाइस समझ जाते हैं इनके से, ये कुछ भी बताते हैं तो अंडरस्टैंड करने में अच्छा लगता है।
अच्छा लगता है। तब कैसा लगता है जब ये छुट्टी पर होती हैं या छुट्टी पे होती ही नहीं है और आपको भी छुट्टी नहीं लेने देती हैं, ऐसा भी होता है?
अनकंफर्टेबल होता है कि मतलब किचन में जो चहल पहल रहती है वो नहीं हो पाता।
वो नहीं हो पाती। वाओ, दैट्स अमेजिंग। आई थिंक यू ऑल शुड क्लैप फॉर योरसेल्फ ऑन दैट। मतलब आपको ये इतने अमेजिंग लगे, हमारे देश से भी नहीं है मगर इन्होंने यहाँ घर बना लिया है सबके दिल में,
सबके दिलों में एक जगह बना रखी है शेफ ने। नहीं रहती है तो
You are quite popular amongst your staff, I see. Everybody has good things to share about you. अच्छा, तो इनके बिना मजा नहीं आता किचन में।
नहीं नहीं
शी सो स्पेशल, सिखाते भी अच्छा है, रेसिपीज भी अच्छा बताते हैं और कोर्डियल पना भी रखते हैं सब
जी।
थैंक यू सो मच। मुझे ये एक्चुअली बड़े कैंडिड फॉर्म में चाहिए था। एक होता है ना कि बना के एक सवाल पूछें और फिर उसका जवाब आए। सो जब आप लोगों के रिएक्शंस में देख रहे हो, आई विश कि दिल्ली क्या ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में सारे किचन अगर ऐसे वर्क करें तो सबको काम करने में मजा आए। डू यू एग्री विद मी और नो?
यस यस
Thank you so much for your time, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.